Welcome to Holiday Travel Tales, where we dive into the thrilling world of solo holiday adventures. Today we're taking you on a journey filled with excitement, practical safety tips, and everything you need to know about traveling alone. So grab your backpack and let's get started. Picture this. You're standing on the edge of a cliff, overlooking a breathtaking landscape. The wind is in your hair and the world is at your feet. Solo travel is all about embracing the unknown, stepping out of your comfort zone, and discovering the incredible beauty of our planet. But before you embark on your solo adventure, let's talk about safety. It's important to be prepared and aware of your surroundings. Always let someone know your itinerary, carry a fully charged phone, and research the local customs and laws of your destination. Remember, safety first, but don't let it dampen your spirit of adventure. Now let's talk packing. When you're traveling alone, it's all about efficiency. Pack light, but don't forget the essentials. A sturdy backpack, versatile clothing, and a good pair of walking shoes are a must. And don't forget to bring a sense of humor, because solo travel is full of unexpected twists and turns. When it comes to money, it's always a good idea to have a mix of cash and cards. Keep your valuables secure and be cautious of pickpockets in crowded areas. And remember, budgeting is key. Find affordable accommodations, try local street food, and immerse yourself in the culture without breaking the bank. Now let's dive into the exciting destinations awaiting you on your solo adventure. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Bali, there's a world of possibilities out there. Explore ancient ruins, hike through lush forests, and indulge in the local cuisine. Each destination has its own unique charm and stories waiting to be discovered. As we come to the end of our journey, we want to leave you with a compelling call to action. Subscribe to our channel and join our community of solo adventurers. Together, we'll share stories, tips, and inspiration to help you embark on your own solo travel tales. So are you ready to take the leap? Pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let the world be your guide. Subscribe now and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Happy travels!